Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to take a screenshot on Xiaomi Redmi 10. So let's do it. So we have three ways to do a screenshot on this model. The first one is to push together for a second volume down and power button like this. Let's do it again. And here you have the option to send it, delete it or save it. The second way is to go to the top bar and here we have screenshot. I hope you see it, and just press on this icon and that's all. It is very easy. And the third way is to use these three fingers and slide down on your screen like this, and this is the screenshot. And to see the screenshots, just go to the gallery and here there are. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.